So finally, and a word of warning. If you order this from Russia, it could take up to 3 months, which is how long it took me. But I'm not complaining because I'm excited. To finally get these. I hope the KGB didn't send some kind of Botox or any other kind of Ebola or something like that. I know I don't have my knife on me, good Lord. Supposed to be, oh, there are, is that 2? Yeah, okay, cool. Supposed to have a, excuse me, 20 gauge or a 12 gauge and a 410, or what did I do? I can't remember. I got these, I think I bought these off eBay, but there's a website. I didn't realize that. And of course, these are the Russian roll crimpers. And this looks like the 12 gauge. Is that right? Yep. Cool. I'm gonna have to try one of these out right quick. So I got a 12 and either got a 20 or a 410. Why does it not say? Russians don't give you a lot of instructions or documentation. Good Lord. This is the 410. Look how small it is. Let's just make us up a quick one. Let's make us up a quickie. Now, probably gonna wish I had a shot cup, but see how many we get. Is it 9? Should be 9. Sorry, I'm blocking your path there. I'll take my overshot card. Okay, so I think I'm gonna like this. That's a lot better and if I got the hang of it, I'm sure I could do it. When I first looked in there, I thought the overshot card was too small, was sticking out, but that's just where it rubbed on the cardboard. Isn't that cool? Now, I'll tell you, the guy I bought this from was really nice, okay? And I actually owe him money because after about 3 months, I said, hey, dude, I haven't got them. And he actually thought they were lost in the mail or, in some Russian KGB container ship somewhere. And so he actually refunded my money. And then just yesterday they came. So I got to go look him up and get him paid. But these are really cool. I mean, let's see, do they have the pins in there? I meant to look. Let's look at this one. Like your roll crimpers do. Yeah. So I've got, obviously I've got roll crimpers for the drill press. They're sitting right over there. But this is so much easier because I didn't even have to, oil this or whatever. So that's awesome. So anyway, guys, we're going to go out to the range here soon, and I got some other fun stuff we're going to shoot. I got these ready to go, some nuts and bolts rounds, and those will be fun to shoot. And now I have some mega buckshot to shoot, thanks to Bobby. Thanks, guys.